Have you recorded clips on your iPhone? You moved it to your laptop, about to open it on Premiere Pro, and it's saying file not supported. The issue is not Premiere Pro. The issue is your iPhone camera settings. Now, let me show you how you can set it. Go to your settings. Once you get there, go to your camera. Now, you need to set just 3 things. The first thing is you come to your record video. Make sure that is set to either 1080p HD at 30 FPS or 4K at 30 FPS, either of those two. Then you scroll down, you ensure that your HDR video is off. It is very, very important. The HDR video must be off, and your auto FPS should also be off. No auto, because it can switch it to either 60, and once it switches to 60, it does the same thing that you're trying to avoid. Then once you've done these 3 things, the last thing you now need to go to your format. Ensure your format is set to most compatible. This ensures that it changes the HEVC format to the normal H.264 that Premiere Pro accepts comfortably. So with these 2 things, you just go and record your videos and you are good to go. And for those who already have their clips recorded and the file is unsupported, here is a way you can go around it. All you need to just do is to go to your WhatsApp. Once you go to your WhatsApp, ensure that you send that file as a document to yourself on WhatsApp. That way it's downloadable from your system and you can access it directly. Save it, add it to your Premiere Pro, and you are good to go. And if you want to do it by sending to a different phone, then from the phone you send it to your system, also works. As long as it passes through WhatsApp, you are good to go. Follow for more.